si Naruto, Danitsuki. Ang cute yun.
Yun, mga ate na tayo ng mga yan.
Pido ako eh. Crush ko nga si Justin Bieber, di ba?
Si Aki lang ang mahal ko.
Ha?
Si Aki.
Oo nga eh.
I love you,
Napansin ko nga eh. Aki! Akin ka na lang.
Line ko yun.
Nagpa-butt exercise pa naman yan si Kuya.
Ang gawin na ng butt exercise mo. Saan
Akin ka na na.
Hindi, sino yung kausap niya sa VTR? Hindi ako pinayagan ng parents ko.
Boses.
Bakit po ganon? Bakit po ganon, production staff? Bakit po? Hindi, pero yun nga yung pinag-uusapan natin.
Pero ito, ha, Danitsuki.
Oo.
Ano ba talaga yung mga type mo sa boys? Mala Aki o mala JC De Vera?
Mga MWF Aki,
Oo nga eh.
PPHSC, JC De Vera. Pero si Aki, gusto ko kasi may accent, Japanese.
At pareho kayo.
Oo.
Pero
Pero ito papakilala mo,
ha?
mas matindi. Yung next na magpe-perform.
Oo naman, syempre. Eto pa! Eto, mga cute din! At syempre, mga galing din to sumayaw.
Oo.
Andito na, syempre, let's all welcome Rojan, Rainier, and Martin!
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hands down my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my snuggie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the freaking man. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Tomorrow I'll wake up, do some peanut and eggs, meet a really nice girl, have some really nice flex, and she's gonna scream out, this is great. Yeah, I might mess around and get my college degree. I bet my old man will be so proud of me. Sorry, pops, you'll just have to wait. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, nothing at all.
Mga bata, upo tayo. Upo na tayo. Tapos na ang ating ceremony. Naku, ceremony. Super like ko talaga yung mga lazy song, di ba? Pero yung kanila, lazy. Pero,
Lazy ba, lazy?
lazy. Ano ka ba? Lazy Maguire. Idol ko kasi yun ng bata ako. Ano ka ba? Pero yung nakakatamad nilang kanta, hindi nakakatamad kasi ang gagwapo nila, di ba? Pero alam nyo, kahit nakaka-lazy yung panahon, live na live pa rin po tayo dito sa Hey It's Saturday.
Kaya huwag na kayong lumabas ng inyong bahay, tutok na sa TV5. Dahil maya-maya live din ang Will Time Big Time dyan sa Cebu. Abangan nyo yan.
Yes, abangan nyo yan. At bago ang lahat, kailangan muna natin i-congratulate dahil proud na proud tayo
Yay!
sa ating kapatid na si Ritz dahil nanalo siya ng OMG Yahoo Amazing Newcomer Ritz. Congratulations!
Thank you. Thank you, Ate Alex. Thank you. Hey, it's Saturday family. At syempre, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Yahoo, sa mga bumoto at sumuporta sa akin. Sa TV5, kay Sir Percy Intalan. Sa Talent 5, Sir Odi Hemora at si Miss Angie Mara. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations! Congratulations. Proud na proud tayo sa
Saka ang
ating
isa pa
kapatid.
natin i-congratulate
Oo.
si Gerald dahil
Yes.
sa kanyang napakagandang concert.
Last
Congratulations.
week.
Maraming salamat din po. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga kapatid natin. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanood and sumuporta doon po sa last concert ko last Saturday sa Music Museum. Maraming salamat po yung Gerald Santos Major Move. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Siyempre sa Saturday family, thank you for supporting.
Thank you sa lahat
At
ng
hindi lang
pumunta.
yan, no?
Yes. Ano yun, JC? Dahil si Morissette ata magpapot ng show?
Morissette, plug your show. Come on.
Yeah, invite ko po kayong lahat na manood po ng showdown concert namin ni Tipido Santos. It's entitled Face Off. That's on July 2, 5:30 p.m. po yan sa Robinsons Manila Midtown Atrium. Yeah, guesting po is the Talent 5 artist, better known as the Star Factor Teens. Free of admission po yan, directed by Sam Concepcion.
Hiyahak!
Yan, tama-tama. Panoorin natin si Morissette.
yan.
Anyway, napakagaling na ating mga tropa. Ang dami nilang na-achieve.
Hoy,
Pero,
JC, wait lang. I-promote mo naman tayo. Makikita tayo sa market tomorrow.
ayo, bukas nga pala, nasa market
Baka
po
tayo lang
kami.
dalawa nandun.
Ang
Oo.
buong cast ng Hey, It's Saturday. Magpo-perform kami
Bukas po,
lahat
3
dyan.
p.m. sa
Magkita-kita po tayo.
Okay. Sige.
Ayan,
Oh.
tapos, hindi. Pwede ba ako magtanong yung isang embarrassing moment lang sa iyong crush? Ikaw na sumagot, Alex.
Ha? Hindi na. Ito na si Christian. Oo.
Hindi. Ikaw.
Most embarrassing, nung nakita ko yung super crush ko, nagbabike ako sa labas ng bahay namin, tapos nakita ko siya, sabay pa cute. Pagka pa cute ko, nahulog ako sa bike.
Okay, that explains everything. Joke lang. Okay. At eto na. O, JC, tuloy-tuloy na tayo, ha?
Okay, tuloy-tuloy.
Okay. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo kasama ang verb at ang crush ng bayan na sina Paul, Kevin, Gabo,
Gabo.
and Miguel.
At syempre kasama din dito si Anika, Shai, Nadine, and Yula. Sayawan na! Come on!
All night to KTC, many start from A to Z. Journey start, cheap on shoot, bet you ain't got shit on me. Chrome hearts, Fendi furs, tripping shit you never heard. Riding down so steady, black on black Lamborghini. Haters can't never see me, come and get me too slow. I'm about that paper chasing, body five, face amazing. Burn, keeps it blazing, too hot to handle, can't touch this. You think you with it, but you can't hit it. You know I got it, 'cause I'm so body. I'll let them hoes know, I run the show. We get it poppin' and we 'cause I'm so bad, but I'm so good. Yeah, I'm so bad, and I'm so good. 'Cause I'm so bad, but I'm so good. Yeah, I'm so bad, and I'm so good. Can nobody hold us down? Nothing's gonna take us down. And you think you can stop it, but we just can't stop it tonight. Can't nobody hold us down. Can't nobody hold us down. We gon' keep it going, not to run this town. Can't nobody hold us down. We keep rocking, we keep rocking, yeah. Watch out when we come for you. This playtime is done for you. It's my time, and it's my time. I'm pound for pound, best to ever come around. Asian, it's never been done. Asian, we rise with the sun. Invasion, no mercy, take over. We thirsty. Every show we shut it down. Blow your speakers with this. Build you up, then break you down. We coming to you. 'Cause I'm so bad, but I'm so good. Yeah, I'm so bad, and I'm so good. 'Cause I'm so bad, but I'm so good. Yeah, I'm so bad, and I'm so good. Just take it to the top, ain't never gonna stop. Now all I wanna do is make you rock. Just take it to the top, ain't never gonna stop. Now make you say na 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 na. Just take it to the top, ain't never gonna stop. Now all I wanna do is make you rock. Just take it to the top, ain't never gonna stop. Now make you say na 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 to KTZ, many start from A to Z. Journey stop, cheap on shoot, bet you ain't got shit on me. Chrome hearts, Fendi furs, tripping shit you never heard.
What's up? Welcome sa Hit Me Up! Dito naman, kahit anong sasagutin namin yung mga tanong nyo.
Yes, tama. Kahit tungkol sa love life, sa friendship, family, sa school, kahit anong tanong nyo, sasagutin namin.
Ito ang isa sa mga message sa atin.
Musta? Ako si Jenny. Hi, Jenny!
Hello.
Taga Pio del Pilar sa Makati. Ang astig na show nyo, more power. Kasi may crush akong guy sa school ko.
Oh.
Ang cute niya kasi. Ang ganda ng smile niya at fun siya. Gusto ko sana maging kaibigan siya pero maski anong gawin ko, di niya ako pinapansin. Hanggang hello lang. Anong gagawin ko?
Ay nako, Jenny naman oh. Sasabihin mo sa kanya, crush kita, mahal kita, tapos!
Ha? Ano ka ba? First step niyan, bago yung mga ganyan-ganyan, kailangan humanap ko muna ng paraan para makilala mo yung guy. Mamit mo yung guy, like through your friends. Simple lang yan eh. So, kapag may kilala na siya, pwede mo na doon umpisahan yung magparamdam ka na from there.
At saka pwede ka naman mag-research kung ano yung interest niya. Halimbawa, baka magsundo kayo na favorite movies niyo, favorite subject, favorite food.
Pero Jenny, ayan, sana nakatulong kami sa'yo ni Aki. And good luck sa'yo. Sana maging close na kayo ng crush mo. But syempre, ito makakatulong to para ma-inspire ka.
Inspire!